Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Sarah Albert, and I'll be showing you how to prepare a simple lip scrub and lip balm at home on today's video. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. If you're an old subscriber, thanks for coming back. I'll start by adding a tablespoon of sugar to this mortar. You can always double these measurements. So I'm adding a tablespoon of sugar now. After that, I would like to go ahead and crush it into smaller pieces. For the lip scrub, we want to use finely ground sugar, so that's why I'm crushing this into smaller pieces. Please do not crush into powder, just process it a bit and then make use of it. So after crushing the sugar, I'm going to transfer it into the mixing cup. After that, I went ahead to add coconut oil. I added enough coconut oil and covered the top of the sugar with it. This will serve as a moisturizer for your lip scrub. Then I added a little honey to this scrub and mixed. After mixing properly, I went ahead to add a pink lipstick from my lipstick palette. Just a little of this will do to give it the pink effect, and then I mix properly. After mixing, your lip scrub is ready to be used. It is very necessary you make this lip scrub so that you can use it to exfoliate your lips and get rid of the chapped and dried skin. It will leave you with a supple and smooth skin on the lips. For the lip balm, I'll be making use of the blue silver Vaseline and lipstick. You also want to get an empty container for storage of this lip balm.